What's up, y'all? Act Fabrication and something. Hey, listen, I was just on the bus, and that picture of the bus that I just showed, you know what I didn't respect about that? A lot that goes through my city is a lot of racism now, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's me and another dude standing on the bus stop. Standing on the bus stop. She pulls past me, right? Which, hey, over at the bus stop, that's cool. Pulled right up in front of the brother so he could conveniently get on the bus. No problem. But he wasn't ready, so I paid first. And when I scooched myself along, why you let him pay first? You ain't gotta pay. He already paid. You ain't gotta pay. That's why the white guy paid. So why there had to be all that though, yo? Why ain't you just tell the brother, yo, to have a good day? You ain't gotta pay nothing. That's cool. I get it. Hey, listen. First and foremost, yo, I'm supposed to pay for the bus. Whether you make the next person pay for the bus or not, it's cool. But it don't have to be about race, yo. Don't make it about race that I gotta pay for the bus because I'm white and he ain't gotta pay for the bus because he's black. And you're a black woman that's driving the bus. And all you women that drive the bus, y'all got some nasty ass attitudes. You're very disrespectful to the customers. You're very disrespectful to the line. You got a job to do, but you don't care about what other people got to do. You don't care about the job they got to do. You just stop at any given time at Taco Bell or Burger King on the route and Royal Farms and sometimes multiple stops. Like, y'all don't care about what we get on the bus because we got places to go, things to do. Not time for you to have somebody standing next to you on the bus and just talking, or you wanting to be ignorant and make it about race the reason why you made somebody pay. You know, you pulling past me on the bus stop would have never clicked with me at all. It would have just stayed with me that's the way the brakes was. It would have never clicked with me that way at all if I wouldn't have heard you say that about that man paying for the bus. I already made the white guy pay for it. You ain't gotta pay for it. What? So I paid for it for him. Like, to me, that's dead ass disrespect. I don't care that you make another man pay, but don't make that pay about race. You MTA drivers are very disrespectful in what you do to people, and how you let things like that turn people against each other, man. That's small and petty, and that just shows how you women are that drive them MTA buses. Half of you nasty ass women don't even need a goddamn job. So, anyway, man, that's all. I just wanted to bitch a little bit, because I just don't like stuff like that, yo. I don't like stuff like that. I don't look at a man because of the color of his skin, yo. I look at the man because of his actions. And whether or not you're black, white, or whatever you are, bro, your actions dictate the man that you are with me. If you're a hard-working man that takes care of your family and owns up to your responsibility, you got the utmost respect with me. If you're a piece of shit running these streets out here poisoning people and contributing to the poison, I don't want you dumbass people around me, man. You got nothing to contribute to society. Truthfully speaking, most of them are a waste of space. I'm done with talking. I got nothing left to talk about. Against fabrication and something. Stop that dumb stuff, man. That stuff is stupid, yo. Stop playing the race card with people. Be a woman. and be a goddamn man. I'm out.